शिक्षा यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और नए अपडेट्स के लिए बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करें।
The NTA UGC NET 2020 exam has started from today, that is September 24th. The exam is being conducted in 2 shifts on different dates in September, October, and November. The first shift of UGC NET 2020 exam was conducted successfully from 9 am to 12 pm today. Shiksha reported live from an exam center in Noida. There were strict safety measures taken at the exam center with respect to COVID-19. Candidates had to maintain proper queues at the entry gate to avoid crowding outside. All the candidates were given fresh face masks before entering the center. The body temperature of candidates was also checked at the time of entry through thermal guns. Inside the examination halls, there was a significant gap between 2 seats and proper social distancing guidelines were followed both by students and the staff. Further, let us see what UGC NET aspirants had to say about the COVID-19 arrangements at the center and the difficulty level of paper 1 and 2 at the end of the exam.
So my name is Ritija and I just gave the exam for German, NET exam for German. So about the difficulty level of both exams, I think this year, before that I have just given one attempt last year, and if I compare both the papers, I think this year paper was a little easy, and I mean it was easier because it was not very tricky and the questions were quite direct. But last year questions, they were little tricky, so even if you have studied something, then also you may get confused. But this year the questions were little direct, and they were, I liked the question paper, and the social distancing was maintained, and then all the proper precautions and the measures were taken by the staff.
How was paper 1 specifically? The difficulty level of paper 1?
I think it was moderate. As I said, the questions were really direct, and if you prepare for this from a book, okay, we have books for this, so then you can crack it.
And from which topics did more questions come in paper 1?
Research aptitude, and then teaching.
So there were some general questions about current affairs and everything. So you need to get that clear if you read daily newspapers and everything about that.
And this time there was only one question from data interpretation. Last time there were 2 questions from data interpretation.
And it's always tricky.
But this time the data interpretation question was easier, and also there was only one reasoning and two questions, I think 2 or 3 questions from mathematics. Yeah, that's all. I think for paper 1, most of the questions come from research and teaching aptitude, because I think that's what NET is for, for teaching. So they focus more on teaching and research aptitude.
And how did your exam go? What is your name?
Shabhi. It went well, and it is almost the same. The research and teaching aptitude questions were there. And if I talk about the subject 2, the paper 2 for German, it was quite good, but last year it was more subject related. The topics from literature and translation were there, but in this year there were less questions
From translation.
Yeah, from translation.
But yeah, there were 1 to 2 questions from translation.
Yeah, but not very direct. Like last year, it was very direct questions.
Last year, we have this one question type where we have to arrange the names of the works, or the names of the authors, or names of the theoreticians in a chronological order. So last time there were many questions from that section, and they were little confusing. In fact, very confusing. But this time it was quite easier.
You guys were able to complete your paper on time?
Yeah.
And proper sanitization was followed?
Everything was really well done.
Any technical glitches in the exam?
No,
not at all.
मेरा नाम आकांक्षा है और मैंने संस्कृत में यूजीसी नेट के लिए आई थी आज. पेपर लेवल वाज इजी, नॉट टू डिफ़िकल्ट. पढ़ा हुआ चीज़ें आई थी हमारी, और बाकी अंदर जो प्रिकॉशंस थे वो बहुत अच्छे थे. मेजरमेंट्स बहुत सही लिए थे इन लोगों ने. देवर प्रॉपर प्रिकॉशंस टेकन. थिंग्स वर वेरी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. इनका सिस्टम बहुत ही अच्छा था. compared to other papers that I've given, this was very organized.
पेपर 1 कैसा आया था?
Paper 1 was quite, moderate type of paper, not very difficult, not very easy. It was a moderate paper, you could say.
पास्ट ईयर्स के कंपैरेटिवली?
I think it was easy compared to the previous year papers. It was easy.
टाइम पे कंप्लीट हो गया?
हाँ जी, काफी time.
एंड कितने क्वेश्चंस आए थे टोटल पेपर 1 में?
Sorry, for paper 1 there were 50 questions, for paper 2 there were 100 questions. The time slot was 3 hours, 9 to 12.
ओके, एंड कोई टेक्निकल ग्लिचेस तो नहीं
No,
हुए?
there were no technical glitches at all. Things were very smooth.
अंदर कोविड को लेके अरेंजमेंट्स कैसे थे?
Arrangements was good and everything was fine.
सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग अंदर ठीक से फॉलो हो रही थी? पेपर 1 कैसा आया था?
Difficult था.
पास्ट ईयर से अगर कंपेयर करें तो टफ था या इजी लगा आपको?
Easy था.
मतलब मॉडरेट. और संस्कृत का पेपर कैसा आया था?
संस्कृत का अच्छा था.
पास्ट ईयर के आपने अटेम्प्ट करे हैं पेपर?
हाँ, एक बार किया है.
तो पास्ट ईयर के कंपैरेटिवली संस्कृत का पेपर कैसा था?
Difficult.
टाइम पे कंप्लीट हो गया पेपर?
हाँ, टाइम पे कंप्लीट. बस कुछ 10 या 15 क्वेश्चन ऐसे थे जो नहीं हो पाए जल्दी में किए, पढ़े भी नहीं, वरना ठीक था, हो गया.
कोई टेक्निकल डिफिकल्टी अंदर?
नहीं, कोई इशू नहीं था.